Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar mood still holds to a bullish case as the market waits the upside challenge for the bulls to go head to head and tackle the level of 63.55. A break there will give further significant moves to the upside and look towards 64.25.40, and with the objective holding at 65 cents. With bullish divergence seen clearly from the MACD as the prices slide, and then we've got this hammer along with that was negated, but now with the last 2 days of bullishness has strengthened the case with the RSI breaking over the midway point, and also MACD now posting a weak positive signal has given further indication that the bulls are expected to navigate further, and clearing 63.55 would see a further rally onto that objective, as I mentioned, at 65 cents. Any pullback should find support around the region of 62.80. The euro is very close now to the challenge of that downtrend, which is a significant channel that's seen from a weekly since the beginning of the year. A break above the level of 99, figure 35, would give further indication to the bullish case to rally further onto region of 101 to a potential 103 target. The dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, also consolidates at the moment after it plummeted from the 20-year highs and now currently holds around 111.80. Well, to much surprise, there hasn't been any intervention as the Japanese yen weakens against the price of the US and therefore looks to around the highs last witnessed back in 1998. From the strength that we've seen here, I still am very wary that we could eventually see an intervention from the Bank of Japan, and if so, like previously, the market did drop around 3 to 5 big figures, and previously back in 1998 did the same around this area, so we could still see whipsaw price action and a snap away from this level, as I mentioned, gives an initial target of 145.60.90. The sterling still edges closer to its objective, which is seen around 114.40 to 114.95. I like the way the technicals are set up and therefore could see a break above there and eventually expose the region of 118, with any pullback finding support around 112.60.65. Gold is a little bit mixed for the start of Wednesday, however, still looking at this downside challenge as the technicals are weak. And if we see a move back to 1,642, a break there would give further down to exposure, that is down to 1,621 to 26. Any advancement still sees a potential cap around 1,664 to 66. Wrapping up with oil, well, the downside challenge, or more to the point, the call at $81 was reached overnight and still holds slightly vulnerable, but there is a little bit of profit taking coming back into play into today's session, but still from the technicals and holding somewhere around 85.20.40 could see that further downward challenge and therefore look towards that 81. Beneath there sees the potential next level, that is at 78.70. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.